Hello children, welcome once again to English video. This time we will be discussing in this video regarding preposition because in Rani Jhansi's lesson you had preposition. At that time I showed you preposition, but now we will be discussing it in detail. Children, you know preposition is a word which qualifies noun, means which tells the position of the noun. Qualifies noun is adjective also, but preposition is a word which shows the position of the noun, means where the noun is. Preposition may be preposition of time, preposition of place. So let's see what we have in preposition of time. Lesson number 33, page number 130. Please open your book. We use at for hours of the day. At 8 o'clock, at 9:45. Please come to me at 8 o'clock. So at is used for hours of the day. We use on for days and dates. We use on for days and dates. For example, on Sunday, on 25th March, on that day. We use in for parts of the day. In the morning, in the evening. See, children, this is very important part, that for hours of the day we use at, for days and dates we use on, for parts of the day. Parts of the day, you know, there are 4 parts of the day: morning, afternoon, evening and night. So in the morning, in the evening. So in is used for the parts of the day: on Sunday, on 25th March, on that day, on this day. So this on is used for days and dates, and we use at for hours of the day: at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. My school begins at 8 o'clock, like that. So that at, on, in use. Now I think after seeing the video you will be able to locate everything, to when to use on, when to use at, when to use in. But we say at night. Sometimes we say at night. We use in for the part of the day plus day या date. On Sunday morning, on Tuesday afternoon, like that. On the evening of 10th June. Sometimes there are some options for it, means we use in for months, seasons and years. In October, in summer, in 2009. We use at in these expressions: at the weekends, at the moment, at that time, at any time. We use in plus period of time in future: he will come in 10 minutes. Yeah, he will come within 10 minutes, like that also you can say. Till and until show when something finishes: we waited till they came. We waited until they came, like that. Study the use of since and for in the perfect tenses. Now regarding tenses, you all know, children, there are 3 types of tenses in that. Again parts are there. So I have known him since 2001. Since and for is used for perfect tenses. I have known him for a long time. They have been playing since 4:30. They have been playing for 2 hours. We use since to say when something started. We use for to talk about length of time till now. This is about preposition of time, children. If you read once, you will be knowing that, and you have to read. Without reading, you cannot just use it. Read means you have to read it. एटलीस्ट 2-3 डेज में एक बार आपको इसको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, तभी आपके लिए ये यूजुअल होगा. एंड इफ़ यू स्पीक इन दैट मैनर, that will be useful. You have to frame the sentences, different sentences on, at, on, in, like that. Then you will be knowing how it is used in our daily life. Okay. We use in when we think of a place as an area, something big enough to be all around a person. Rupa is in the kitchen. Preposition of time also we use in. Preposition of place also we use in. We use at when we think of a place as a point. I met him at the station. Place as a meeting point. I met him at the park. Okay. Turn left at the traffic light. We use on when we think of a place as a surface. Put the newspaper on the stool. When we think of a place as a surface, they sat on the floor. We use in with the countries, cities, large towns, with small towns, villages. We can use either in or at, but in is more usual. We use in with roads and streets. In America, on is used. We use at when we give the house number. They lived in Netaji Street. They live at 124 Netaji Street. We use on for the number of floor. They live on the second floor. When we want to denote the floor, we use the preposition on. On, in, at, above, below, inside, outside, within, without. All these are different preposition. They are used according to the need. When we use of note the use of on and at with page number, look at the picture on page number 25. Open the book at page 36. Study the use of preposition in the following sentences. There is a useful program on TV tonight. The program is on channel 12. The information is available on the internet. The book is on CD-ROM. The movie has come out on video. We saw the film on video. I spoke to him on the phone. सी वेन ऑन म्हणजे देख के आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा. ऑन में बी यूज, इन में बी यूज, एट में बी यूज फॉर preposition of time, preposition of place, but with some rules. Now, words followed by preposition, some noun, verbs and adjectives are often followed by a particular preposition. It is sometimes very difficult to know which preposition to use after a particular word. Here are some of the most common combinations which are usually troublesome to Indian learner. Angry with somebody. Are you angry with somebody? Pleased or happy with at about something. Pleased or happy with something. Pleased or happy at something. Pleased or happy about something. Surprised or amazed at by something. Surprised at something. Surprised by something. Popular with the students. Fond of music. Afraid of dogs. Similar to something. Junior, senior, superior, inferior to somebody. Absent from school. Absent from school. Ashamed of something. A reason for the delay. A cause of the delay. A solution to a problem. Difficulty, trouble with something. Agree with the person or opinion. Suffer from a disease. Pay in cash. Pay by check. Prefer tea to coffee. Translate something into another language. Congratulate a person on something. Okay. So, these are the words. Many preposition you have come across. Still, there are many preposition which we have not discussed, like either, neither, nor, above, below, like that. So, you may be in the lower classes, you might have read about prepositions. So, I would like to give you list also of preposition. Just a minute. If you want, you may note down the list of prepositions. In, on, above, below, with, without, within, outside, inside, from, about, and from, about, until, unless, since, इन ऑन ये तो आपने लिखा ही होगा दोस्तों. सो because in fifth standard book I am not coming across any prepositions. They may be there or they may not be there, but we have to discuss about prepositions. It has been skipped, I think so, I don't know. Okay, so now we will move to our exercise. As and when in the exercise, if there is any new preposition, I'll be telling you. Till then you have to at least write down these many prepositions. Fill in the blanks with suitable question, suitable preposition. I will meet him dash Saturday afternoon. I will meet him on Saturday afternoon. She became a nurse at 18. At 18. I live on 92 MG Street. नंबर के लिए on आता है. You can write in also. I live in 92 MG Street. They live on the third floor. There is a very good program at Channel 5. The film has been released with video. Open the book on page 86. It has been raining since 3 hours. I saw him at the bus stop. We are going to Hyderabad at the weekend. I will return the CDs within 2 days. They are sitting at the park. He is suffering from malaria. Teacher was very angry with me. Can you translate this page in English? Payments can be made in cash or in check. I was absent for school yesterday. What is the reason for your absence? I am senior to you. I prefer Pepsi to Sprite. म्हणजे पेप्सी पीना पसंद करूँगी स्प्राइट से. I prefer Pepsi to Sprite. Children, hope you have understood now the meaning of preposition and different types of preposition. I hope you have noted down, and you will now be finding easy to test your grammar skill on textbook page number 113. Like, the boy is sitting at the table to eat. The boy is sitting on the table. Second में on आएगा. The boy is sitting above the table. Third one is above. I am talking about textbook prepositions. The cat is sitting inside the basket. The cat ran to the box in the room. In the box, to the room भी लिख सकते. The cat ran to the box in the room. Now there is one scramble game without between. See, without between, everything after, before, until, below, across, all these are words. Use preposition to fill in the blanks in the board. Just now N से क्या होगा फिर? Like that. E. Between का. On. O-N on. U-P up. T-I-L-L till. H से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. You have to search that. W-I-T-H with. W-I-T-H with. ऐसे. Given below are the meaning of some words in the passage. Find the words from the story which match these meanings. So, fun with vocabulary. common. कॉमन के 2 मीनिंग्स आपको पैसेज में से ढूंढ के निकालने हैं. तो आप कॉमन का मतलब होता है कि कजिन ऑफ कॉमन मीन्स trained women soldiers were also adopted. I'll be sending you in the next video or by post. So if you find pain of the body and mind, 3 words given below are the meanings of some words in the passage. Find the words from the story which match these meanings. Common, pain of the means it will contain only 2 letters. Common. So you have to search for that like this. Pain of the body and mind. Answer, put clothes on, part where arm joins the body. Okay then I'll be try and send the next video.